Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see that I'm super pumped and excited for today's video because I'm going to be reviewing for y'all the newly launched Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks by MAC, and they recently launched it and I just got them yesterday and I was so excited to sit down and film a video for you guys and give you an in-depth review on them. And today I'm also going to be comparing the liquid lipsticks to their original Powder Kiss lipsticks so that you all get all of the information possible from this video. And I'm obviously going to be doing lip swatches as well, so I can pick and choose which shades to go for. So I really hope that this video is informative for you all. And yeah, let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, then please hit on the red subscribe button and also turn on the notifications for the channel as well so that you get notified with all of the videos that I'm putting up. And yeah, let's get started. So first I'm just going to read all of the claims of this Powder Kiss lipstick. Now they have mentioned that this is supposed to give you long-term moisture up to 10 hours. Then this blurs the lines and smooths the lips, and it gives like a soft focus blurred effect. And it's also supposed to be long wearing, which they have said that it's 8 hours, and does not fade and it stays true to color. So I'm really excited to test out all of these claims for you guys as well. So first let's just talk about the packaging. So this is what the lipsticks look like. They come in the standard MAC packaging, and I'm just going to open this carton and show you how the product looks like. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's just very sleek, and I love that this has like this matte finish to it, and it also has this frosted glass. It looks really luxe as well. And I have actually got two shades of these lipsticks because obviously if I had to review it I wanted to try out more shades. So this is how the packaging looks like up close. Okay, and the two shades that I have is, first one is A Little Tamed and the second one is Make It Fashion. So both of these I obviously saw the swatches online and picked these shades. Now A Little Tamed is the shade that I've already tried in their Powder Kiss lipsticks and I love that shade. So that's the reason I obviously had to pick this, because I know exactly how that shade looks like. And this one I thought that I actually was very confused because there were so many beautiful shades to choose from. But I thought that I should just go for a safer color because obviously I'm spending so much money on them. And they actually retail for 2,200 rupees each. So obviously they're extremely pricey. I also wanted to compare them, as I mentioned, to these lipsticks as well. So the two lipstick shades that I have is, first one is obviously A Little Tamed, which is the lipstick, and then we have this one, which is Stay Curious. Now Stay Curious is actually one of my favorite shades from the Powder Kiss lipsticks, and this is how the applicator of the product looks like. So it's actually very unique. I've not seen an applicator like this on liquid lipstick specifically, so I don't know how this is going to apply on my lips. So this is the swatch of the shade A Little Tamed, and this is the liquid lipstick. And as you can see, it's just a beautiful coral pink color, and I obviously love these kind of colors for my skin tone. And right next to this liquid lipstick, I'm going to be swatching their lipstick also, which is the Powder Kiss one, and this is in the same shade, which is A Little Tamed. And this is what that looks like. So they're pretty similar in terms of the shade, but I do feel like this one is slightly lighter as compared to this one, and obviously the formula is different. I thought that it's going to be similar, but it's very different. The second shade that I've swatched on my hand is called as Make It Fashion, and this is what the shade looks like on my hand. So as you all can see that this one actually is a little bit more pigmented as compared to the earlier shade that I showed you. And it's probably because this shade is a bit darker, and usually darker shades are more pigmented as compared to the lighter shades, especially when it comes to liquid lipsticks. And I'm also going to swatch one of my favorite lipsticks from their collection, which is Stay Curious, and this is obviously the lipstick, and this is what that one looks like. As you can see, it's just such a beautiful coral toned pink, but it's obviously a bit more darker than the earlier shade that I showed you. That's the reason I love this, and this is like a perfect shade to wear on a day-to-day basis as well. So I've just zoomed in a little bit so you all can see exactly how the lip color looks like on my lips, and you all can see exactly the color and also the formula. And the first shade that I'm swatching is A Little Tamed. So this is how just one coat of the lipstick looks like on my lips, and as you can see, obviously it's not like extra pigmented. You can still see my lip color, and you know, obviously I'll have to, you know, go over it again to make sure that everything looks really seamless and you know the color payoff is more. So initially I thought that this applicator is going to be like a bit weird to, you know, apply the product because I'm used to the regular doe foot applicators, but surprisingly it's doing a really good job of applying the product. So this is how the shade looks like on my lips, and I obviously really love the shade. It just complements my skin tone really well, and it's like the perfect, you know, pinky nude color that I can use on a day-to-day basis. Now swatching the second shade, which is Make It Fashion. Really hoping that this shade suits me because it's obviously like a darker color. This is like one coat of that lipstick. Now just doing the upper lip. It's actually a really beautiful fuchsia color, and I think that this shade will look lovely on deeper skin tones. And also, one of the best part about these liquid lipsticks is that it does not accentuate the lines on your lips, which a lot of liquid lipsticks can do because they are so drying and they're so pigmented. On the other hand, this actually just blurs the lip lines and makes it look really flattering as well. So far I am loving the liquid lipsticks. I have actually not tried, you know, any other lipstick formula which is comparable to this because it's just so different. It has a beautiful, you know, finish to it, and it just feels so lightweight and like almost, you know, that you have nothing on your lips, and it's just very comfortable, which I personally love because I don't want anything to be too drying on my lips throughout the day. But we're obviously going to test the other claims out as well. So they have mentioned that this lasts up to 8 hours. So I'm actually going to do a wear test for you guys, and I'm really excited for this one because this is my first wear test. So right now it's 5:35. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm going to do like a wear test for you guys. You know, I'm going to wear this lip color throughout, and yeah, let's just get started with our day. So I actually wanted to show you guys how the lip color looks like in natural lighting as well, and I wanted to shoot this whole video in natural lighting, but it suddenly had started pouring so much that, you know, there was literally no natural light left anymore. So this is how the color looks like, and this is the shade A Little Tamed, and this is how it looks like on my lips. And as you can see that it's such a beautiful shade, and right now it's actually 6:10, so it's just been about 35 minutes since I have this lip color on, and it's kind of intact right now, but obviously it's just been half an hour, so really can't say much at this point. But I actually wanted to use this on my cheeks as well because the earlier, you know, the powder kiss lipsticks, you could use them on your cheeks, so I wanted to test this out. You're obviously paying around 2,200 rupees for this lip color, so you want to get as much use as you can. So I'm actually, you know, just going to take some and apply on my cheeks as well. I already have blush on, but it actually looks really stunning. And because it has these blurring properties in it, it just looks so seamless on my cheeks as well. So you could totally wear this on your cheeks as blush as well because it has a really beautiful lightweight moussey texture that just blends in so nicely onto the skin, and this shade is just perfect as a blush. Now I'm actually going to do like a little transfer test. They have not mentioned that it's transfer proof, but I still wanted to test it out and see how much of it transfers. So I'm just going to get my glass of water and be back. I feel like I'm so excited for this video that I'm all over the place. So I have my glass of water here. It actually did not transfer. I mean, I can see a little bit of smudge on the glass, but I cannot see the color transferring on it, so which is great. So I'm obviously going to continue this wear test throughout the day and show you guys how it looks like in a few hours. So it's been around 3 hours since I last checked in, and as you can see that the lipstick still looks intact. It has not moved or budged, which I'm really happy about. And now I'm directly gonna check in with you after dinner so you all can see exactly how my lips look like. And yes, currently I am in my kitchen because I'm actually cooking something, and that's why you have all of this mess around me, so excuse me for that. So I'm back for the final checkup, and it's right now around 11:30, so it's been over 6 hours since I've had this lip product on. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in closer so you all can see how it looks like. So this is how the lip color looks like up close, and I'm really surprised that it has lasted this long. I've even had dinner and still it has lasted through that as well, which is really surprising because all of my other lip colors, don't last this long. It has faded a bit in the inner corner of my mouth over here, if you can see, but that's also because I've had oily stuff. And for it to last even this much is really a big deal for me, and it has left like a really nice pink stain to my lips, which I personally love because I love having like a really nice lip color going on throughout the day. Otherwise my face can look really dull. So I am really happy with the results, and I'm obviously going to continue using both of these shades as well. One thing though I would like to tell you guys is that if you are someone who has really pigmented lips, then I would recommend you guys going for the darker shades, because the lighter shades are not going to cover your lip pigmentation, and then over a period of time your pigmentation is going to show through, and you definitely don't want that. So try out the other shades because there are like 15 shades to choose from, and I'm going to leave like a swatch also so you all can see all of the other shades and pick and choose which ones you want to go for. And to give you guys like a final comparison between the liquid lipstick and the regular lipstick as well, I definitely feel like the liquid lipstick is much more long lasting, because I have obviously used the lipsticks also throughout the day, but they have not lasted me this long. But the liquid lipsticks on the other hand definitely have. So if you are looking for like a really long wearing lip color which is going to feel very comfortable on your lips, and it's not going to dry out your lips as well, then I feel like you should definitely go for the lip colors. They are a bit more expensive than the regular lipsticks, but obviously there's a reason for that. I'm sure you get more quantity in the liquid lipsticks as well. One thing that I would like to mention though is that if you are someone who's really into like pigmented liquid lipsticks, then this one might not be for you, because obviously the pigment is not as strong as compared to the other liquid lipsticks. But I would rather sacrifice that and have something more comfortable on my lips, and maybe touch it up a bit, rather than going for something that's going to be uncomfortable throughout the day. And even though I've been wearing this lip color for a really long time, it still feels very comfortable, and it has not dried out my lips. And trust me, I've tried so many liquid lipsticks in the past and they don't feel like this. So I'd highly recommend checking these lip colors out, and I'm going to leave all of the product links in the description box below as well, so you can check it out for yourselves. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you found it informative, and I just tried to switch it up a bit by doing like a wear test for you guys, and so you all can see the product performance throughout the day as well. So I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And last but definitely not the least, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that I obviously get motivated to create more content for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.